Hey everyone, it's Tori here at the Discovery Co-op Pharmacy, and today I'm going to be talking to you about seasonal allergies. So this time of year is a common time for those allergies to flare up. We got the combines going and kicking up a lot of grain dust into the air. So we thought we'd pop on and talk to you about how to best manage those allergies. So some common symptoms associated with allergies are your sneezing, runny nose, nasal congestion, and then itchy, watery, or red eyes. And our first line products that we typically recommend are our oral antihistamine products found here. So you have your Reactin, Claritin, Allegra, and Arius. And these are all very well tolerated medications for the most part. One thing to note with these is that it's really important to take them regularly during the allergy season. So once a day before those allergies hit you is the best way to stay on top of things. And another thing to note is that they're all very similarly effective. So there's not one that's better than the other. They all hit those symptoms very well, except for Arius. It might have a little bit more help hitting the nasal congestion compared to the rest. These are all safe in children, and we do have some products that are targeted to kids, and they are safe down to 2 years old, although the boxes don't always show how to dose in that young of a child. So if you have any questions on how to dose in a younger child, just feel free to come to the pharmacy and ask us. Another thing to note is that these medications aren't typically recommended in pregnancy, so if you are expecting and experiencing seasonal allergies, come chat with one of our pharmacists and we'd be happy to make a recommendation for you. And then there are some other older antihistamines like Benadryl, but they're usually more of a second line product as they do have some more side effects such as drowsiness and constipation. So for that reason, we tend to go towards these ones first. And then if you're experiencing nasal congestion, these don't always tackle that the best. So a good idea to look at is the nasal sprays. And Flonase is actually available without a prescription now, which is wonderful, but our pharmacists can also prescribe other nasal sprays. So again, if you're experiencing nasal congestion, these might be a better option for you, or come chat with our pharmacist about what we can prescribe for you. So another option for nasal congestion is our decongestants, and we have some behind the counter. They're pseudoephedrine, so if you're experiencing congestion, you can come grab some from us, but they do have a little more side effects associated with them as well. So they can cause an increase in your blood pressure and trouble sleeping. So for that reason, we just like to have a chat before we give them out. That's about all I have for allergies today, so thanks for hopping on, and have a great day, everyone.